Hi and welcome to the sixth video in the ColorCraft tutorial. Today we are going to have a look at the live link feature of ColorCraft. The live link feature automatically picks up any changes in files in the input folder. This allows for a seamless workflow where you can instantly see recolored versions of your work. As you can see, I have set up ColorCraft next to ASAP right here. We're going to first activate the live link. Now ColorCraft auto picks up any changes. I have selected 4 different palettes to be displayed in the grid view. I can now go to ASAP and make any changes, and I will instantly see how these changes will look like in the different palettes. Now let's give our little guy a tail in ASAP. We can instantly see the changes in ColorCraft. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video, and if you did, please like and subscribe. Till the next one. Bye bye.